Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. My name is Benjamin and today I want to share with you guys a few of the items I bought myself to be able to record videos, for my YouTube channel. I want to share with you guys what kind of camera I'm using, what tripod do I have, and all that cool stuff. As you guys can see, the camera is right here. This is the camera I mainly use for shooting my videos. 1080p 60 frames per second. It's a pretty cool camera. It's a Canon camera. I don't know too much about it. It's a DSL, that's all I know. And I did purchase a external microphone for it, which improves the microphone quality by a lot. So in case you guys are looking for one, you can get this one. It's a Rode microphone. I got it from Best Buy for like $65, I think. And the camera itself, right now it doesn't have any battery, so I can't turn it on because the battery is charging. But it's a very good camera. Shoots very quality pictures and videos, so I'm very happy about it. There, you guys can see the box. If you have any questions, let me know. I bought it also from Best Buy. I think it was like $930 US or something like that. And this is the box for the microphone. Very good microphone, so you don't need the $200 ones. This boy does the job pretty good. And I also purchased a smaller tripod. It's a handy pod. I don't know why I got it. I thought I'll be using it a lot, which I actually started using it a lot. In the beginning I didn't use it, but now I found that you could take the attachment off for the phone and you could actually attach your camera to it, which is pretty cool. I didn't even know. So I'll start using it more and more. And if you guys are wondering what am I shooting the video today with, it's actually being recorded by my iPhone 11 Pro. I've done some tests and the quality is pretty amazing, so I just wanted to see if I would be able to record a video, edit it and post it, and using just my iPhone 11 Pro. I'm very excited about this project. I really want to see how it's gonna turn out. The iPhone 11 Pro, it's a pretty cool phone. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. It's not gonna be a long video. If the quality is really good, I might be using my phone for more videos. I don't know. To be honest, at this point in technology, I think we could all start using our phones more and more because they're all really good phones. Doesn't matter what you have, Note Plus or Samsung Galaxy or iPhones. They're all gonna have good quality cameras and it's pretty exciting. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.